What's up, Dilio coming to you live again. Dilio T2K back with another desktop laptop tutorial. We going in. The tape by Nathan. You know, I really got to hit him up and figure out the correct pronunciation. I botched that up, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to educate you on this plugin. It's part of a series of plugins that are out from the brand, and there's a lot of plugins out, so we got a lot of different types of videos. As you can see right here, they have a Black Friday sale right now. All plugins. You get the 20 plugin pack for $29.5, $39, and you got the 33. But we're not going to go too far into that because we're going to teach about this plugin right now. So we're back, and long story short, we're going to listen to some of these faders over here to the right, and we're also going to listen to some of this the tape effects right there. Pretty simple, pretty easy. So we're going to let the beat ride just like that. Okay. And when the beat drops, we're going to literally put the cassette in by pressing the eject button right here. Here we go, like this. So we got the beat. Okay, now I'm going to put the tape in. Let's listen to it. Lo-fi mixtape. That's how I like the tape. And you have different versions of the tape right here. 3, 4, 5. It definitely gives me that tape vibe. Now over here we have some faders, but we also have on and off switches for these effects. So let's check out, let's bring them in one by one. So this is the noise. I'm gonna turn it on here first. Right here we're bringing in some of that low end back. Take it out. Space, this is kind of like a reverb. Turn that on. Yeah. You can mix that with, you can mix it. So that just gave a little nice reverb to it. So let's bring it back out again. Let's go to the echo. We can see that the echo is synced. Mix it in. Take it out. Glitch. So these are kind of like, I hear it drop out a little bit. I could be doing it wrong too though. Didn't hear too much about it. I think I did this with the time. Don't misquote me on that. Drive. Let's blend it with the original mix. Brings a little bite to that whole mix. Let's take it out. Let's bring the 8-bit bit reduction. And drops. Let's turn it off. Turn on the drops. You know how kind of the tape will flutter in and out. This is an effect from tape cassettes back in the day. What I like is that I like that space though. You a little bit of that reverb there. Hey, bring it in there. Yeah, I like how it sounds. Let's turn all these effects off. So this is the Nathan tape analog edition. I like if you want to add that effect. You could also, obviously, there's probably a way to automate this stuff some kind of way. Don't quote me on that. There's a lot of different settings on here, and it definitely will give you that tape effect if you're looking for that lo-fi sound. I did it kind of on one of these trap beats that I just cooked up on this platform. So if you like that sound, this is the thing to go to. And just once again, you know, this is part of definitely a bundle right now. You get the plugin by yourself. Right now it's Black Friday in 2024. So if you're interested in this plugin, it's probably a good time to close on that because you're getting a bunch of plugins that can affect stuff. We're going to talk about a lot of these plugins in the next series of videos. Don't worry, I'm not stopping the remakes. This is just some of the content I'm doing in between the remakes. So, but I thought it's pretty pretty cool stuff. So stay tuned for more. You're watching Delio T2K. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you like or don't like. You're watching Delio T2K. We out of here.